Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. Hey everyone, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. I just want to take a second to introduce to you the new online class that I have produced with Prepare to Die paper crafts. It's called the Beauty Abounds online class, and Sarah Fleming, the most talented US demonstrator I have ever met, and myself have combined to create an amazing class for you guys. She's done 3 designs. I've done 3 designs. So you get the Beauty Abounds Red Rubber Cling stamp set, the Butterfly Beauty Thinlit dies, a little information sheet on how to get into the classroom, 6 multi-purpose adhesive sheets, excellent for die cutting, and the materials to make 6 cards, 1 of each design. And if you wanted to, you could choose this paper, your Botanical Butterfly Designer Series paper. It is a celebration reward, free with a $60 purchase in Canada, that is. It's a $50 purchase for the States. And this is all the designs. They're gorgeous and it really goes well with this stamp set and die. Or you could choose the butterfly elements, which are wood butterflies, flowers, and leaves. So thank you so very much for letting me introduce my class to you. I'm super duper excited. Sarah Fleming is a very talented US demonstrator, and for all of you Americans who have been begging me to come into the class, this is how we can do it. So registration opens December 24th. The orders start going in January 3rd. Our class ends January 31st. And if you're Canadian, you would register at sunstampin.eventbrite.com. And if you're American, you register at www.preparetodie.net. For today's card design, I'm featuring the Beauty Abounds stamp set. You can't get this yet until January 3rd, but I did want to share this card design with you. I think it's beautiful, and I just wanted to prove that I don't always save the best designs for my online class, although they are fantastic. This card design is fantastic as well. So I have a couple different colors here. I have Balmy Blue ink, I have Mint Macaron ink, and I have Smoky Slate ink. Now, my Balmy Blue happens to be really, really dry, but I'm not going to re-ink it until after this card. I had to stamp off to get the lightest look from the Mint Macaron and also from the Smoky Slate. So this is a very simple card design. I'm using 2 colors and 1 neutral, which is the Smoky Slate. And I'm using the bokeh images, the big and small, that come in this stamp set. So if you're wondering what the heck is going on with this stamp set, there's butterflies, there's flowers, there's bokeh. It's kind of cool. I actually really dig it. All right, so I have now my Mint Macaron, and I'm stamping full strength with my, I guess this is a Viney Flourish. And here's just a little extra piece of paper here so that I don't stamp off onto my work surface. Okay, so I did say that this was simple, so I am not going to do any kind of shading with my blends markers. And just so you know, my blends markers do not match the colors that I stamped initially with. I'm working right now with soft seafoam, and I'm coloring in the leaves. Then I will go into the Pool Party Light for the flowers. And if you recall, my ink was Balmy Blue. FYI, in the new catalog, there's a Balmy Blue marker. So I'm pretty excited about that. I just wanted everything to be really soft, so I chose my lightest blues. And Pool Party Light seemed to work for this. And then I have, for the flourishy part, I went in with my neutral, which is Smoky Slate Light. And then I trimmed that piece down to 4 by 5 1/4, and my card base is soft seafoam. I'm adhering the card front to the card base with fast fuse. I've stamped the thanks sentiment in black StazOn ink on a strip of Whisper White. Look at this new product. Can you imagine? I've been asking for this forever. This is the rectangle stitched dies. They're stitched on the outside and on the inside. Totally brilliant. Hats off to you, Stampin' Up. Really happy. This is mini dimensionals, and I am putting my sentiment piece. And then these are glitter enamel dots, 3 different sizes. Big one underneath the sentiment. And that is my card for today. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you on Wednesday. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.